Liaison is really one of our flagship projects, because this long-term process, this capacity building that goes over like a whole year, is really different from most of the other seminars, trainings, conferences where people normally sign up for. Because normally you go and it's, you get some new input and that's it. But having this community, that really stays together and goes through a certain process all together is, I think, very different from most of the other training programs.
You need to be open to experience and experimenting a little. It's not a traditional sit down, here's a PowerPoint presentation, but I think that's what makes it really fun and exciting and just very different.
I think it's a great experience to meet other young professionals with creative plans and ideas.
I'm feeling very well facilitated, and it's been already very inspiring. I feel like I've already learned a lot and made new connections and gathered a lot of inspiration for my further work.
The point of the program is to make relationships so that when people go back then again to their different institutions in countries that are sometimes as far apart as Kosovo and Ireland, they will have a network, a family, a group with whom they will always belong.
It's not always possible to find a way of making friends with 18 new people in a week. And it's been really, really valuable to learn about a new community, a new space, but to share our inspirations and our struggles and experiences. And I feel really, really connected to the people that I've met. And I know that we will keep together and we will keep learning, and there will be many opportunities for learning from each other.
So I think this program Liaison is really great opportunity to meet other people, to exchange the experience and to be together and just think together about the future of culture.
I never experienced such a dynamic of great committed people. And I have to admit that it's not only those people, but the places they represent are just magic. So we create a planet of magic spots that later on they are connected through these different pathways. And this makes me to feel more hopeful that we are heading to the better future, maybe.
I've learned so much about sustainability, accessibility, and other ways of doing things, and I'm totally going back home with new ideas and new projects. Try it, it's worthy, totally worthy, and you will have fun and learn a lot.